Out of the way. Right, if you want to be as successful as a bass fisherman from a kayak as I am, or as incredibly handsome and as well tarty looking as I am on the kayak when you're fishing for bass, what you need to do is invest in a rod and reel like this. It's a 5 to 15 gram Fladden Maximus Kevlar spinning rod. Okay, this is a 6-foot version. There's also a 5 to 20 gram 7-foot version, which is probably better if you're going to troll. Okay, beautifully machined. You've got the counterbalance there, nice wrapped Kevlar. You've got the machined metal and the PVA or whatever it's called, and all these bits, holes in it. It's woven. It's got that little bit for attaching the lure. It's an IM6 Kevlar rod, you know, it's cracking. Fitted to the 6BB LP magnet baitcaster reel. This is what, 2 or 3 years old now. And if you really want to hit the bass, you want the Warbird Minnow 12 in pink and silver. That's a couple of quid lure, that, and that's taking bass out of the rocks that double figure for me. Most of my bass this year came on that. So there's rod and reel, absolutely stunningly beautiful. Look, even got words on it, writing, lovely stuff. Okay, now as an idea, if I just unclip that and pull, can we see that? Look at that, it bends. It bends, that's good. So that means the fish can pull and fight and bounce. Okay, so I might as well have a quick cast as soon as I'm down on the beach. Now the real beauty about using a bait caster is you can cast it one-handed. So here's my rod and reel, thumb on the button to release. Out it goes. Brilliant. Smooth as anything. Low profile, so perfect for not taking up too much space on the kayak. And if you're paddling along and you're trying to hold yourself off, just take your paddle in one hand, flick it out behind you, and you're away. Brilliant. And that is a sexy combination. Look at that.